Okay, so good morning and good evening, everybody, and welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 20th, date is 16th of September. In yesterday's session, we discussed about that what is email and what is email properties, how the email are going in and out, and also we discussed about the inbound email action. Today, what we are going to be discuss that in an email, when we receive an email, what it contains and where we can configure that email actually. Okay, because if you notice that, let's say, as I pick up the example, let's say Jimmy orders something from the online website. Okay, when Jimmy order, he get an email that thank you so much for your order. Your order number is this, and it will be delivered in the 5 days. After one day, he got another email. Your item has been packed. After one day, he get a message that your item is ready to dispatch, and then he get an email that your item is out for delivery. Now, in all these email, definitely the content will be different. It cannot be same, and there's a sequence of triggering. There's a condition for triggers, right? So that we are going to see today now. So let's go here and search for the email notification. So under the system notification, come for the notifications here. And here I need to be design the email notification. Number one point, like in SLA, we have a table to define. Here also we have to be define the table. Then that on which particular table this email will trigger, right? If Jimmy is booking the order, then he will not get an email that his order has been dispatched. He should get an email that his order has been created. So that is very much important. So what it says that even in an email notification, these three things are important. When to send, who will receive, and what it will contain. Important point. If I want to send a letter, I should know when I need to send. Who is my recipient? And recipient means address and what it will contain. So let's say LNG, this thing, LNG incident even notification like this. Table incident like this. This category and this references has a relationship. I told you, right? So what it's saying basically that when you're getting this notification, under which category you want to put. See, there's a no logic has been written on this category, but it will be used by the end user for the personalize the notification. I don't want to receive email if I withdraw the cash less than $100. Okay, when you open the account, bank says you will receive email, yes. But then you say, no, I don't want to receive an email if I withdraw the cash less than $100. But bank people say no, you will get. Then how you can this thing? What I can say, personalize. You have to be go here and then preferences, notification, and UI. Here you have to be decide that what type of email you want to be received. Approval, assessment. Like if I scroll down, let's see. These many email categories are there. These categories come from here only. Like this, uncategorized. So these many are in the uncategorized. So if your customer asks you, can I personalize the email notification? I'm not saying the content. Can I personalize the email notification? Then yes, he can do via preferences. Okay. Now let's put, you can put as uncategorized or anywhere you want to put, you can put it. That is not much important for me. Important is this. When to send. When to send means a condition. So like in SLA, start condition. This is something, start condition here. When to send. It means at what situation you want to send the email notification. When I say send the email notification means you want to send the email when the record is inserted or updated. When you click on the submit button first time, that time you are inserting the record. If I open a record and I'm just making a change in any of the value, I am updating the record. So you can put when to send, update or insert. I said let me send insert. Okay. Any condition you want to put? I said yes. Insert means when the state is new. Only then send. Clear everybody till this point. Everyone clear? Satya, Nikichi, Sham, Ola, Moji, Edie, Jimmy. Good. Now this is the first part. If you don't put any condition, it will trigger only for the one time. When any record has been inserted, only then. If you want, then you can put. Otherwise, I'll say let me remove this. I said when the record has been inserted, I need to be send it. Okay. Now the second part. If you want to put on update, you can click on the update. It means every time when someone make a change in the field, then also this email should go out. That is called the update. No, but as of now, in the example, we're going to see only insert. Okay. There are two more options here. We will pick up a little later. Now come to the who will receive. Now, if Jimmy has been logged in into Walmart website or Walmart app, who will receive the email? Definitely Jimmy will receive. I will not receive, only Jimmy will receive, right? Or the user account which Jimmy is using, that person will receive an email. So now this section says that who is going to receive this email? Who is the recipient of this part? Now, if I come here, it means this is a dynamic field. If Jimmy is raising a request, then Jimmy will receive. If I am making an order, I will receive. Ola making order, Ola will receive. ED making order, ED will receive. Sham making order, Sham will receive. It means we cannot hard code. Then you can put like this. I said in the incident table, there is a field called the caller. Or let's see what is the name of that particular field. Like school name, right? Caller underscore ID. Okay, here I am doing the hard Kelly no. In this, I am doing the hard code part, which is not required for me, right? You can put, so hard code means let me put learn and grow. Let me put Sham. Let me put Satya. It means if a record has been inserted, then these guys will get an email. Now let me log that part. It means I'm doing the hardcode part. But now the question comes, Atul, you says that we should not hardcode. If Jimmy are placing order, why Atul is getting an email? Right? So that thing you can do in the this part. What do you want? I want caller ID should get an email. But I wonder why it's not be showing here. Student name. It's not showing caller name here. That is a user table. User input. Why it not showing boss? It is caller ID, right? Show caller ID, which table it's picking up. Incident table, caller ID is the name. Okay. Category assignment group, let me put. It's not showing caller ID. Is someone rename or something? It should show actually. Okay, let me lock it. So now in this case, these two will get an email. Number one, to whom the ticket will be assigned, right? And number two, the assignment, the student number, student name. If you want to put any specific group, you want to put hardcore group. So I put batch 9. So it means these two fields is hard code your values irrespective of email type. These will be getting a email directly. And here you can put the runtime. Who should get an email? I'm looking for that. Why it's not showing the caller ID? Even the caller ID is already there. Maybe something wrong with my instance now. Now this is important. What it will contain. Let me give a minute. Let me stop sharing for a minute and open the previous this thing email. Okay, it's not showing anything to me. Wait. Share the screen now. We'll go again. Okay. So now what we'll do, it's saying what it will contain. It has a three things. Number one point important, that you can do the email scripting as well. Okay, if you know that how to write a script, you can do the email scripting. I will show you, I'll try to show you email script during our scripting session. Okay, now what the subject? Subject should contain hello, and I say incident number, let's say LFG. What it should contain in the message email body. Hello, I want the caller name. Go here and search for the caller. Like this, you can search it. It's not showing here. It means something wrong has been happened with my instance now. Let's say email ID. So like you can put the field like this. What we want to do, we want to put the short description, search for the short description. Let's say school name. We want the short description. Now let's go here. Let's say last name. VIP student name, short description like this. Okay, and if you want to put the description will be on the top. Let's say impact. Let's say description. Now the thing is that Atul, yesterday we saw that in the subject as well, the incident number was coming. And what was that field? That was a student name number, right? That was the number. So now come here and you can write like this. It means you are mentioning the variable in the subject now. This thing for a minute, let's leave it. Now click on the save here. My email notification is ready. Now let me check my email properties once, so that I'll make sure that everything is working as expected. Okay, in and in, right. Now let's go here and raise a new incident. Because what we say that it is on the insertion of a record. So I put my name. Okay. Email test. Description anyway. That's fine. Okay. And let's say change management. Now I click on the submit here. If I go here, what will happen now? Who will receive? Learn and Grow, Shyam and Satya. They both will receive an email. Also, everybody who is a part of batch 9 and whose email ID has been updated in the profile and student name and the assignment group. These people will receive the email. Now let's see where to check. Emails log. What is the incident number? 50, right? Let me copy it. These are the tricks you should know. So now you can see. Incident has been created. Hello, this has been done, and this is system generated, and this is our email. If you want to open it and see. It is going to the change manager. It is going to Atul. It is going to Shyam. Okay, let's see what it will contain. Click on the preview. So all the things which we see, it's contained here. You can see the description is coming like this, right? Let's go back and see one more thing. This one assigned to the group as well. Now let me show you in my mailbox. So now you can see this is our return one. This is system generated. Open it. And now you can see here. This. Okay. If you want, you can add the external email ID as well. If you want, you can add your personal email ID as well here. That is the one thing. You can add your personal email ID as well if required. Clear everybody till this point, guys? Any doubt, any question? Let me come here. Pretty clear? Harsh, ED, Moji, Satya, Ola, Shyam.
That's clear.
Good. It is easy. Now the thing is that if you notice one thing here in this email, these words are coming. Unsubscribed or email notification preferences. But during our demonstration, during our understanding, we did not define these fields. These fields are coming from the template. Like I'll give a normal example. Everybody who is using the MS Outlook in your official instances, and if you write any email, the signature get populated automatically. So like this, if I click here, so now you can see my signature get auto populated. This is what? This is just a this is coming from the template from here. Atul, I don't want to show the unsubscriber preferences. Remove and you can search here for the new template. What do you want to show? I want to show something, this one, employee notification template. Okay, save. Let raise a new incident. Okay. Batch 9 and save. Now come here. Let me click here and we will wait for the another email. So first of all, you have to be check that email is triggered or not. You can check it from here. Yes, email has been triggered. And now you can see everybody is receiving that email. See, all the 9 people are there. Let me go here. Here the email is there. And now if you see that it has been changed like this. From where it is becoming. Sorry, it is system generated. Sorry. This is the first one. No. This one is our one. So now you can see we have picked up this. This is what? This is coming from the template, employee notification template. Do you want to see that how this notification has been template has been defined? You can go and see here. This is coming from the sys event email template. And you can see from where it is becoming, how it's becoming. If you want, you can create your own template as well. Let me show you here. Email templates, right? Access email properties. It's showing. Let me copy this one and paste it. If you did not find anything like this, you can open the table directly. So you can see these many templates are available. And if you want, so you can create your own template. But you should know the things which you want to be added here. What should the standard subject and all the things. Email layout. How the email will be look like. Standard, advanced, dark, or and all the things like this. So all these are configurable part. It's not customization, guys. Don't think that it is a customization. It is completely configuration. So you can put and you can see. I want to send the SMS as well, but I want some different content, different fields. You can do it here. Normal message, push kind of notifications are there. So you can do here as well. Okay. Now the thing which we left out in this specifically area is called the when to send and on the other conditions. These two. Event is fired and triggered. I'm 100% sure everybody who is in this class using the mobile phone and they have a prepaid or the postpaid number. If it is a prepaid, you get a SMS from your service provider approximately 5 days in advance. The validity of your number is getting expired. Please recharge for continuous service. You get this message of 5 days before. Then you get a message 4 days before. Your pack validity is getting expired. Let me take a very normal example. We all are using or we all are working and we have official laptops or the desktop with us. And every company has a policy that employee need to be changed the password in 90 days. And you start getting the email. Your Windows password is getting expired. Please change the password. This thing come up 15 days before. Then 14, then 13, then 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're getting the emails continuously. Do you think there is a person sitting in the background and is checking that, oh, Satya's need 5 days reminder now. Nekechi need 8 days reminder now. Sham need 2 days reminder now. No. These are called the event triggers. Event means something is running and checking in the background. And basis of the condition met, it trigger. Like in here, I'm in UK, I'm staying. Every house has a fire alarm. As soon as there is smoke, it trigger automatically. Doesn't matter that smoke is from the kitchen, from the cigarette, or maybe you're doing some worship. Maybe you're doing some kind of a havan kind of things. It doesn't matter to the fire alarm. Only matter that smoke is there, it detect and it start siren. These are the event fired. So if I click on the event is fired, it means you have to be defined that when this happen, then this email should go. If event happen, then it should trigger. If my kid misbehave in the school, only then I will get a notification to meet with the teacher or the principal. Not before that. So this is called the event name. And ServiceNow give a lot of events. So now you can see lot of events like this. Change inserted, change priority 1. Let's see, incident, is there something? Incident assigned to, commented, accelerated. So these are the events. Now the question come, Atul, you are experienced, you know everything in this part. Assigned to group. How we can know? Right click, show event, name, copy, come here, paste, and open and check. Simple. No dependence on anybody. It's you have to be decide, not me have to be decide. Whatever is not did not open. Yeah. So now you can see these many events. Let's say incident even we're checking.
Can I ask a quick question?
But please.
Oh, I was about to ask, when you create the email, where do you go to see your template? I think you just showed that right now, and I
Yes.
wasn't able to catch that.
Right. But what I'm showing is for the event, not for the template. If you want to see the template, the better you go here and click on that field and get the template name. This is a table name. I'm
Okay, so if I go into notification, the one I created, I just created one too, right now. So I just have to go to that one that I created. So I have to see the templates on the what it's will contain. I mean,
right.
okay.
Okay. The only thing which is important here, see, the the point is that in this training, I was thinking some points yesterday that learning service now is easy. That's not tough. But the thing is that we should know that how to navigate in that tool. Instead of I create dependency on me that I know the table. It's you have to be telling me, Atul, there's another way to open the table. So like this, if I even in my practical life, if I stuck, I just go this thing. I open the form, right click and get the name like this so that I should know, okay, it is coming from which table. Now what Moji can do, Moji copy this one and open in the application navigator with the .lst. Work done. No dependency anywhere on anywhere. Okay, so these things you have to be explored now. So now let's go here for the event. No, it's not event, it's showing on the template. We are still in the wrong place. Let's go here and search for the event name. Email action. On the email template on the wrong table. And you can see email action. Now you can go here and search for the incident. And now you can see it's showing, why it's showing like this only, email action. It's not showing me the event. Let's see event. Anything is there with the event?
I think it's this event table.
Which one? Sorry.
Sys event.
Sys event. Let me check.
There is no underscore there.
I doubt without this it will work, but let me see. Okay, fine, good. Yep. So now you can see this is the event here, but it is event created, my dear friend. It is not that event is triggering. No, I'm looking for this event, that from where incident.assign2.group is triggering. If I want to create a new one, then how I can create? That is my point. Let right click, configure, and click on the all. Leave. All means it will show all the fields available on this particular table. Go to the dictionary entries, and here you can find out. Event is there. Event action, email action, affected, email action, event, category, right? Something, notification category, not, condition, content type, no. Email actions, we have to be see what is the name it was showing. Where's the notification? This one, where's the LNG one which we created just now? This one. Let's see what was that. Get a name of this particular event name. It is in the sys event email action, and we are on the right table or not? Email action, right? Now I can do this thing. I have another point now. Let me show you something. If you get confused, better right click and click on the configure dictionary. It will directly open that field for you. So now it is in the sys dictionary table, and this is the column name. Event name is the column name. Okay. And let's see from where it is be getting all the values. I'm sure it is getting events from some other places. Events from here, I am sure. Registry event logs. I done this part earlier as well. Yes, here I can get. Yes. Yeah, here. So it is coming from the registry, system policy, event, and registry. So this is coming from here. So now if I open my email, let me go and open my email here, and email notification. Notification, not email. This one, and open my LNG or incident one. This one, and let's go to the event. What is the event name we're putting? Incident.assigned. Come here and search for the dent.assign. So you can see the event here. I done this part in my scripting video. I remember now. So like this, and under that it is nothing. You say Atul, nothing is happening. Table incident call access nothing. What how it's be triggering? After that you have to be go to here events and you have to create the scripting action as well. That what will happen if this thing will be done. So generally what we do here guys, just to be clarified, that we use almost out of the box events. It is created by service. Now if you want to see, go here incident one and you can find out in the email registry or scripting action that what will happen if this thing come. A lot of things are there, you can see, and it required a scripting part. It's not a scripting part. Now I remember that where I have learned this thing. Okay, so generally we don't do, we just use this out of the box functionality in the service. Now let's say on the SLA, this one, SLA is about to breach, 10 minutes, 30 minutes left, 40 minutes left. How you get the email? You get an email from the this thing here, from the events. Now if I write this or if I use the event, it will not trigger email when I creating the record. It will only do when the conditions are getting matched, which is written in the service note tables in the scripting part, which I have not practically experienced. Okay, and the last part is called the trigger. Trigger means when you want, then the email should go out. Trigger means now. When you click on the trigger, it should go. That is called the this part. Generally, we use either insert update or either we use the event is fired. Clear everybody till this point? Any doubt? Okay. Now one more thing or two more thing important to understand here, guys. Okay. And what we call them as a auto reply. Like if in an office I'm going on leave, right? What we do in our Outlook, we set up a out of office reply. Dear sender, I am on leave for this particular time. Please reach out to this person. Or when you send any email to any of the service provider, you get a quick email back. Thank you for connecting us. Your incident is important for us, and all the things will be there. Okay. So you can do that part in the this part. Email, and you can this one. Response template received or response template sent, or any kind of a quick messages. Let me see what is the response template. Forward. Forward received. What it do? If I am receiving any email, type is received. How it's checking the type? It's checking the type from the it is gone email logs. Here, type is checking the type from here. If type is forward, then it should send this thing. Like you are setting up the things. What we are doing here, let me show you. We are defining the templates, email templates. Okay, maybe I can open in another window. We're defining the email template, guys, for the received or the sent. That if I receive any email, I should send this particular template. I should reply the customer by this particular way. So it is for the receiving part. This is what they are saying. If the type is received, then a user will get a like this. So let's say if I am sending I'm sending an email to service now. Then they say I will receive a email notification. This is what they're mentioning in the scripting part. Insert original email. To whom? Nothing. Sender configuration no. This is something difficult, or I can not difficult, but this is something a use case when we want to do the auto reply kind of format. Okay, now if I go back here, or if I click here, reply all received, then what it should contain. Type is received and content it says take care of the or insert the original email body only, which is coming in the email body. Use that only. If I say template for the sent, forward sent. Now it says like this. Similar email insert. If you want to see, you can see this particular part. Email scripting, you will find this scripting name. And then you can do that part. But for our purpose, because I did not use this example very frequently in my career as of now. We always define the custom, always do the configuration for the customer part. Okay, but if you want to set something, then you can put it easily here. Quick messages. If you call me on the on the phone, I'm busy. I send you a quick message. I'm in the call you later. These are the quick messages. Do you want to send, if anybody is send an email to you, or any record is getting inserted somewhere in the instant table, do you want to update something in the message? Then you can use the quick messages. Short, nothing worry. It's very short. Who will receive? User group. On which table? What body? That's all. These are the quick message stuff. These are I'm just telling on the very high level, guys. Not in depth. Okay. One more thing which I was looking for here. Something is there. Yeah, or I'm out of. No, it means I'm done on that part. Okay, let me come here on the email and we'll see if anything has been left out or all completed. Okay, this has been done. Forward client addresses, diagnosis, email logs. This is the important point. Email logs is important. System notification, categories, email access. Yep, that's fine. So with this, we are completing our email notification part. How to configure, who will receive, what it will contain. Also, the properties of enabling and disabling the send or receive part. Changing, or if you want to make a change in the email account server, you can make a change as well. But don't do in the PDA, that is not recommended because it is picking up the domains from the background somewhere. Anyone has any doubt, any question, any clarification on this part? Tell me guys, any doubt, any question? Good. Now let me cover one more small topic, and it will be helpful for you in the weekend. Okay. And after that, I will take a class test. A small topic is this because I'm going to discuss about the reports. That how to create a report. Okay. The main thing is that in ServiceNow we can do the standard reporting. Standard reporting means if you want to create a report on a single table. Harsh, have a question. Atul, what about the if I have a want to bring the data from the two table? I want to show the incident and SLA as well. Then can I do that part? Yes, you can still do that part, but that is something different. That is called the database view. Now we are going to be discussed that if I want to create a normal report, how I can do that part. So for that, what you have to be do, go here and search for the report. Let me close all these tabs here, guys. And go here and search for the report. Okay. This is the application. These are the modules available. Create new. I'm not going to be repeat the previous sessions. Okay, just on the top, what is be required? You can create a report on the standard tables. Now I would like to give you homework. There's a few tables in ServiceNow on which you cannot create a report. Harsh, do you have any idea about this?
I'm sorry, Atul. No, actually, I don't have any idea, but I guess
Anybody
you might
has any idea who's
give
working or
some idea.
using ServiceNow for a time being? There are few tables on which you cannot create a report. That is a homework for you guys. Okay. Try to find out and try to find out why as well. Why there is a restriction that you cannot create a report on those tables. What is the reason behind that? Okay. Now let's come back here. In ServiceNow, specifically now in the latest releases, ServiceNow introduced the NLP as well. Natural language processing or NLP specific, natural language analysis. It means if you don't know the table or kind of things, you can still create your report. So there are two ways. Number one is this way. Number one is this way. This is something newly introduced by ServiceNow. Let me show you first this part. Let me put a report here, LNG report. Source, let's put as of now table. On which table you want to create a report? I want to create a report on the incident table. If anybody is working as a manager level, incident change, problem, request, knowledge, CMDB, CI kind of things, then this session is very much important for you. And don't consider this is an end user training. No, this is just a admin part I'm going to show. So I'm not going to tell you that click on this part, click on this part, click on this part. I'll give you homework. Today, what you have to do, go here and read about this part. Sir, report admin. At least stats, sources, range, header and footer. Try these things. I'm telling you, try this thing. I'm not going to put this because these are a very simple one. So now Atul, I want a report in a histogram format. I want a report in a score format. I want a report in a graph format. I want a report in a donut format. I want a report in a pivot table format. All these are available in service now. Click on the type here and you can see the different type of reports. Bar, pie and donuts, time series, multidimensional, score and others like this. These are the standard reports. As per your requirement, you can create a report. You can pick up the type of report. Let's say I want to go for the normal. Let me show you this normal one. Bar graph. Click on the configure. What you want to show in the bar graph? Group by, stack by, aggregation, what you want to show? As of now, I don't want to show anything. I just click on the run here. Let me see what initial report look like. So initial report will be look like this, true and false. I say I want to group by and click on the run again like this. Atul, now it's good look. But Atul, I want to see that how many incident or how many priority of incident in the new state. Then go by stack. And now click on the run. It's look good? No? Good? Yes. Display table data? Yes. Now it's look good, Atul. Interesting. And you can see the data as well. If you remove this, it will not available. So like this. If you want to see something like this, chart data, you can still see like this. This is the one example of this part. I'm sure you have a question now. Atul, I want to present this report to my management. Can I download this? Click and download. Up to you. PNG, JPG, anything you want to do, you can do. No, Atul, I'm not liking these colors here. Come on. Go and do the styling here. Color chart. Several color. Done. Now look good. Or like this. Use chart colors. No idea. Large, small, medium, medium. Presentable, Atul. Chart size you want to put. Display labels. Let me do like this. Like numbers. It's totally up to you now. This is journal. This is title. You want to change the report, you can change it here. Colors and all you can do. Legends you can define. Axis you can define. Up to you, I am telling you. But save it. In the Tokyo release, these things has been enhanced. Even in the San Diego as well, these things has been enhanced. This color was not there earlier. This pattern was not there earlier. I want to see the state. I want to see about the impact. And now run. Now you can see group, state, impact, Things has been changed. Priority and state. Things has been changed. Up to you. If you want to do some kind of a function field, even I have no idea about this function fields. You want to do some formatting, you can put it. Count instead of count, I want to say sum. Sum of what? Sum of business duration. Run. Like this. These many incidents take 222 days. Even though these are the standard reporting now, but still you can do a lot of things. Click run. If you change the type, let's say from bar graph, I'm coming to multi-level this thing and click on the run. It will not generate because you have to be for the heat map, or sorry, for the pivot, you need the row and column. Select column. I want to show the impact. I want to show the urgency. I want to show the state. And I want to show the reopen count or reassignment count. And now click OK and click run. Now you can see the report is ready for you. But unfortunately, you cannot download this report in the Excel format. You can download this report in here. Sorry, let me save first. Yep. Not showing like this. I'm not getting any option here. Why? Insert, stay, save as data source. Sharing. Oh yeah, click on the sharing and you can export to the PDF. And you can generate now. This thing you cannot download in the Excel format. Okay. Now if I open it and I show you. Report is here for you. You can show to your management. Okay. Now if I come here, so these are the options available for the sharing. Atul, Jimmy say, Atul, I'm working as an incident manager and I want to share a report with my team. Click on the share. You can share with yourself, with everyone, with any specific group or the users. If you click everyone, then it will be available for everybody in the service now. If you put a group or user, it will available only for a specific set of users, not for everybody. You can do that part. You can schedule this report. Schedule means every morning I should get this email, the report in my mailbox. You can do that part. You can do daily, weekly, monthly, periodically, once on demand, anywhere you can do. I am not, don't take me wrong here guys, but I want to just put a thought in your mind. Reporting and dashboard is a very beautiful area in service now. You will not believe a lot of customers are more interested in the reporting. Service desk agent is interested in the ticket progress. But I am sitting on the MD or the COC2 level. I am interested in the reporting as well. Only and only in the reporting. So you can schedule the report daily, weekly, monthly. If I click monthly, which day you want? Daily, which day you want? You can put to who will receive this email. You can put the username. You can put the group as well. You can put the external email ID as well. This is homework for you, not for me. You can put the subject line. You can put the email body. And at last, you can put it should be in the PDF or in the some other format. You want to zip, you can zip it. It should be A4. Yes. Try these options today because it is not not heavy part. It is very light part. You can do it very easily. Try to schedule 1 or 2 because in our instance we have a email running, right? Email properties are running now. So you can create a report. Maybe you can put a report periodically that after 10 minutes I need this report. You are getting that report in your mailbox. You can put your personal email ID here and you will start getting that reports in your mailbox. Try this part. Nothing to be worried on that thing. Now only one thing which is important here. If I share my report with anybody else, you can modify that part. You can modify my report. So to avoid that part, okay. So to avoid that part, we have a functionality called the dashboard. Let me show you here. Click here and dashboard. Dashboard is nothing. It is the collection of the different reports. Again, I'm not going in deep dive, guys. Don't think Atul you're in hurry. No, I'm not in hurry. I want to just give a lights to you so that you can do this exercise. Okay. Now go and create a new dashboard here. Because it don't require any kind of a technical knowledge. Put a name, let's say LNG. Who is the owning this group? You can put the owner. If you don't want, you don't want. Click on the save here. Or let's say, let's go back here and click on the dashboards. Search for the LNG. Open it. In the dashboards, you can create the multiple tabs as well. So go here. Sorry, go here and click on the create tab. So these 2 tabs has been created. Go to active tab. Yeah. Atul, what to do? Let me add my report. Click here. Click here and search for the reports. What report we created? LNG report. And add. Can we add more than 1 report? Why not? Go here, widget, report, open request item, add. You can add. You can add any number of reports here and you can get any number of tabs here. Totally up to you. Atul, it's not look good here. Can we change the layout? Go here and change the layout. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Change the background color. Like this. Like this. Do what you want to do. It is your dashboard. And now last, share it with the users. But remember, you can share with the group, you can share with the user, you can share with the role. If I click on this thing important. With whom we are sharing, what he can do. He can only view or he can edit. In this case, I'll only say view. I don't want that anybody go and change my dashboard. If I put here, let me put share. Sham will receive an email and he can see the dashboard now at his site. Everybody clear till this point? Satya, ED, Harsh, Jimmy, Ola, Yogesh. Only 1 or 2% are listening. Jimmy, what happened? You are not speaking today. I'm worried if Jimmy did not speak, I'm worried. Okay, so now
I'm
yes,
just listening.
sorry.
I said I'm here listening. Just
Okay, but if
taking
you
your-
did not speak, I'm little worried that is Jimmy is not getting or I'm doing something wrong here.
yeah, I'm getting.
Okay, great. So now the homework for you guys, create minimum 5 or 10 email notifications and create minimum 15 to 20 reports and the different dashboards. At least try the different reports, guys. If I if you want to see the already built up reports, you can see here. There's a lot of reports given by ServiceNow. See, 500 reports given by ServiceNow. Open these reports and check. This is one of the best place where you can impress your customer. See the reporting functionality of ServiceNow. And it don't require any kind of a hardcore knowledge. Okay, that's the thing. Now let go to the or one thing I guess left in this part, this PA part. Let's say incident. Okay, ask. I want to create a report on the incident. So like, see, this is what? This is the list format, list report. Now on the incident table, I want priority, like this. Let's see, it will work for me or not. No, it's saying you are entering something wrong. Let me remove this and put the priority lookup, priority column. Priority is priority high होता है one होता है. Priority is 1. Let's say, will it find something? No, it is saying still your conditions are wrong. It is high. Still my conditions are wrong. So something even I am learning this part, that how to write the correct how to write the correct condition here. So like if I say incident active is true, now I get information like this. Why it's not showing? Cannot understand your query. Please refine your question. Okay, active is why not? It's taking my things. Surprising, but you can try this option. You can try this option. I can skip today's class test because there's a one more thing is pending in this report now. Okay, let me go back to my report which we created. Discard changes and continue. We have created a report called the LNG, right? LNG report. Open this. Now, one thing which is important to be understand here. Now, if you see this data is from the day one when I take this ServiceNow instance. Atul, I want to see the data only for the last month where I can put those conditions. Click on this funnel icon. So if you want to do any conditions on these results, then you have to do it here. But if you want to show any field here, then you have to go for the configuration part. So let me click all here. I said created between. Now remember the list search. between last week, or let's say last week is little too, I can say last 3 months and yesterday. And now click on the run. So now you can see your data has been reduced. Why? Because we are putting the conditions here. You can put any and or condition you can put. It's totally up to you which condition you want to put. Or and IT is 2 and run. So now you can see data is more reduced like this. Maybe I want to see the quarter. This is the last. It is very beautiful thing ServiceNow introduced now that you can do these things runtime. So at runtime I'm saying you can do without writing the exact dates. Let me give you one homework, more homework. I want a report which tell me how many incident has been created in the last 30 days. So today I am on the 16th of September. I want to see the incident which has been created in the by the 15th of August. Tomorrow, 17th September, I want to see the incidents which has been created in the last by the 15th, 16th of August. How I can do that part?
Is it homework or I just need to tell you answer right now?
You can tell. I know you're already working, so you can tell, but it's a homework for as of now.
Okay. Actually, okay. After this, after recording stop, I will ask you a few questions.
Okay, this is important because this is the practical need from the customer. Atul, I want to see the last 2 months data from today, but I need this report on the daily basis. So you cannot go and run this report every day. You're a human being, you're not donkey, right? You can schedule, that's fine. But what condition you have to mention here? You have to understand this part. Understand this thing. That which filter, which condition builder or condition filter I have to be used on, not on, before, after, on, after, trend, which I need to be used. That is your homework. I have cases like this. That every 6 months, I want the data for the last 6 months. From today, like that. So now, simple example, I am on 16th September. I need the incident record till 15th of October. Tomorrow is 17th September. I need the records till the 16th of August. And I don't want you go daily, open the report and make a changes in this part. So let me put this value. No, it should not be hard coded. It should be dynamically changed. Clear everybody on this part? Any doubt, any question, any clarification? It's easy to the thumbs up now, but I want everybody to be practice here. This is important and don't require any technical stuff to be understand. Good. So now let me take a 2 or 3 minutes for the class test. Okay, if you want, you can switch on your videos. What we completed in the last week, let me pick up. Okay, good. Switch on the videos, guys, quickly. And I want the answers in the chat window. Quick. What is the table name of a SLA table? What is the table name of SLA table? Quick. What is the table name of a SLA table? Jimmy, Nikichi, Ola, Harsh, Moji, Yogesh, ED, everybody answer I need. Are you sure task underscore is there or cell underscore task? Okay. What is the difference? What is the difference between list? I'm writing in the chat window and what is the difference between list small and caps?
If we write in the caps, it will be.
No, don't speak. Put in the one word in the chat window. Right. It open in a next tab. Okay. And what is the meaning of the small one then? Harsh, your answer is wrong. Or I can say it's incomplete. Let me see what Satya is writing. ED, Yogesh, Jimmy, write it quick.
Can you repeat the?
What is the difference between capital list and small list? Quick, Satya. It's done. Written is done. Quick. For normalization, no, Jimmy, not for the normalization. No, it is for the user experience, not for the normalization.
Capital lists will be open in the next, right?
I'm saying your answer is incomplete, Harsh.
Okay, incomplete.
Your answer is incomplete because you say it will open in the next tab, but in which view it will be open? List means that if I put the capital list, it will open the list view in the another tab. If I write this form and form, what is the difference?
Form capital form will be open in the form view in the next tab, and
this is the answer you are missing here. You say it will open in the next tab. What will open in the next tab? Which view it will be open?
okay, the type.
Type, not type. The list view.
List, yeah.
Okay. What is the difference between close skip and close incomplete? What is the difference between closed skip and a closed incomplete? These are required. Good.
I don't know how to form in a sentence, but complete, close, incomplete means.
Good. Speak. No problem. Speak.
Yeah, so close, incomplete means that what they say, incident or ticket.
No.
Uh,
You should be very much correct on your terms, Harsh.
Terms.
Do you see close incomplete in the incident?
No, I
Then
don't
why you
know.
saying it's on the
Sorry.
incident?
Okay, yeah, sorry.
Close script means the project is abandoned, while close incomplete means the project is finished. But the task remain unfinished.
Unfinished. Oh.
Okay, we can say this part. What is the purpose of the colsec in transform map? Maybe you can speak now. Don't write. It's too much for the writing now. Writing I want just to be make sure you guys wake up. What is the colsec purpose in transform map? Shyam. Tell me quickly, what is the purpose of colsec? Quick. You can speak. Don't write. Comparison. No, Shyam. It's not for comparison. No, wrong word. Field mapping. No, not for the field mapping. Again, wrong. Field unique. I'll not say it's make field unique. It is a unique. It's a prime. Okay, fine. Let's say this thing. Okay, if colsec match, then what will happen? And if colsec did not match, then what will happen? If the colsec match, then what will happen? If colsec did not match, then what will happen?
I guess if it is matched, then it will be updated. And if it doesn't match, it will create a new.
I think नहीं होता यार यहाँ पर हमारे यहाँ पे. You are a consultant. If you say I think, then it is not going to work for the customer.
I'm not telling my customer. Okay. So if doesn't match, it will create a new record and insert into a database. If it match, then the
If no match, a new record is inserted. If a match, it update the targeted record. Good,
yeah.
Jimmy.
So about
Good.
to say
The main point is that Harsh or everybody, I want to be clear your terms actually. See, like take example of the close incomplete. You say it's a incident. That is a wrong term. Better you say it's a record, and in the bracket say record means I'm talking about the service request or the request management or request item. Because incident never have a close incomplete. Okay. Fine, guys. Good. So anybody has any question before I stop the recording, guys? Good practice. I'm making something that which I'll give you for the actual practice part. Okay, so let me stop the recording here now.